stop saving your money. Seriously, if you're still following the advice of your parents, your teachers, or that financial expert who tells you to put your paycheck in a savings account, I hate to break it to you. You are losing the game. In this era of hyperinflation, holding on to cash isn't being responsible. It's a slow-motion financial suicide. Welcome back to Wealth Root, where we don't just talk about money, we dismantle the lies you've been sold since childhood. Robert Kiyosaki's legendary book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, exposed a massive, uncomfortable truth. The middle class is trained to stay broke, while the rich are trained to build empires. Today, we're going to strip away the myths, define the difference between an asset and a liability once and for all, and show you exactly why your savings are actually your biggest enemy. The two-dad trap. Kiyosaki grew up with two figures in his life. His poor dad was highly educated, held a PhD, and had a high-ranking government job. His advice? Go to school, get good grades, and find a safe, secure job. His rich dad, on the other hand, didn't even finish high school, but he was a titan of industry. His advice? Forget the employee mindset. Learn how money works, so money works for you. Most of us are raised by poor dads. We're taught that if we just make more money, if we get that promotion or that pay raise, all our problems will vanish. But look at your own life. When your income goes up, your lifestyle usually explodes to match it. That's lifestyle inflation. You're not getting richer, you're just getting more expensive to maintain. The secret definition of assets. Most people, even most accountants, get this part wrong. They'll tell you your house and your car are assets. Kiyosaki says, rubbish. Here is the golden rule. An asset puts money in your pocket while you sleep. A liability takes money out of your pocket every single day. Think about that house you bought on a mortgage. You call it an asset, but you're paying property taxes, maintenance fees, insurance, and interest to the bank. It is bleeding cash from your wallet every month. It's a liability. The rich treat money differently. Instead of buying a luxury car or a bigger house, they buy cash-flowing assets. They buy real estate that puts rent in their pocket, or they invest in businesses that generate profit. They don't buy the toy until the asset has paid for it. Why saving money makes you a loser. In 2026, the concept of saving is fundamentally flawed. If you put $10,000 into a savings account earning 6%, but inflation is running at 10%, you are technically losing 4% of your purchasing power every single year. You are literally watching your wealth evaporate. The rich know that paper money is a fiat illusion that governments can print at will. They don't hoard cash. They convert it immediately into hard assets, gold, stocks, real estate, or businesses, things that hold value or grow when the economy turns south. The shift. Change your mindset. The difference between the wealthy and the broke isn't luck, and it isn't just salary. It's the internal dialogue. The poor/middle-class mindset is, I can't afford that. It's a closed door, a period at the end of a sentence. The rich mindset is, how can I afford that? It's a question, a challenge, and an invitation to find a solution. Ask yourself right now, is your current job or your current path going to take you where you want to go in the next 5 or 10 years? If the answer is no, stop blaming the economy and start changing your financial IQ. You need to stop working for money and start making money work for you. That is the only wealth route that leads to true freedom. If you're ready to stop playing by the old rules and start building a real sustainable future, hit that subscribe button. It's time to stop saving and start building. What is the single biggest liability in your life right now that you need to turn into an asset or get rid of entirely?